In 2025, Samsung is putting a big emphasis on Vision AI. They're going all in on AI, and they've talked about what they want to do with it at CES 2025. How's it going, everybody? KG here from SamMobile. At CES 2025, Samsung did reveal this new AI strategy, Vision AI. And Vision AI is not just going to be one feature or two features. It's a number of features all combined together to make Vision AI. And this is going to be stuff that ranges from picture quality enhancements to making the day of your life watching TV a little bit easier. As far as picture quality enhancements, there's going to be changes to the AI Auto HDR remastering. There's a new AI Color Boosting Pro enhancement that's going to help make colors look even better on Samsung TVs. And of course, upscaling what everybody is going to look for in their TVs. The latest, the best TVs, they always have the best upscaling, and Samsung is going out of their way to make upscaling even better in 2025 with AI upscaling. On top of the improvements to picture quality, they are also adding a button to the remote this year that's going to be a click to search button featuring AI. So it's going to be an AI button on your remote. Once you click it, you could pretty much search anything that you see on the screen. If you're watching a movie and you want to know what the actor is wearing and if you could buy that same shirt, then you could just press that AI button and it'll pull up those results. You can also get information on who that actor is, what the location is that they're filming in, or where the movie takes place. All these things are going to be presented to you on the screen with the AI button. These are things that are built in now to Samsung. They said that there's a second screen experience for most users when they're watching TV. A lot of people have the phone in their hand looking up information about the shows or the movies that they're watching, and they want to make sure that they can give you all that information on the same screen that you're watching on without you having to look down at your phone. You could just click the AI button and get all that information right there. For example, one of the things that they highlighted was the ability to see food on the screen and then press the AI button to get recipes on that same food so you can make the same food that is on the screen. I think that's a pretty cool feature, and this is something that I was hoping would come to TVs eventually, but we definitely do have to test it out ourselves to see how we like it. On top of this, Samsung is enhancing security using AI by using the cameras in your home or the microphone that is on your TV to sense any unusual noises or things that just might be out of the ordinary. If you're not home, for example, it can notify you on the phone that something is going wrong. Or if you are home, it'll let you know on your TV that something has been detected. A feature like this could be used if you are on vacation or if you're just away for a couple of hours and you want to make sure your home is protected. It just gives you a little bit more peace of mind to go along with what you already have installed in your home. On top of this, Samsung is going to be using AI to do auto translations. This is going to be a nice feature for anybody who wants automatic live AI translations. And this is going to instantly translate closed captions on live broadcasts in 7 different languages. AI-based voice removal with audio subtitles is also another feature that they showed off. This is a game changer for anybody who has impairments or anybody who is going to be watching in a different language. And this innovative feature plans to analyze subtitles, isolate voices, and adjust reading speed for a better experience when you are watching TV. It's clear that they are going all in on AI. The AI algorithm that they're going to be using is powered by a large language model, and in the presentation that they showed, they are telling us that they're working hand in hand with Microsoft Copilot. We expect to see Samsung AI grow even more as the year goes on, as it's just going to be their first implementation of this year. I'm really excited to see what Samsung Vision AI is going to do in 2025, and we'll definitely keep you posted on SamMobile for the latest on that front. If you guys want to keep watching videos from CES 2025, definitely check out these videos right here to see the whole entire Samsung lineup that was introduced for TVs. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more information on Samsung products. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.